Hi friends, today we are making quick no-cook Indian Chickpea Kachumber Chaat bowls, a fresh dinner that is creamy, crunchy, tangy, and filling without turning on the stove. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes 20 minutes, so it is perfect for a busy weeknight when you still want big flavor. Here is the quick ingredient walkthrough. 2 cups of canned chickpeas give this no-cook dinner its hearty base, so rinse them well for a clean, fresh taste. 1 cup English cucumber adds cool crunch, and the thin skin keeps the prep fast and colorful. 1 cup cherry tomatoes brings juicy sweetness, which balances the tangy yogurt and spices. 1/2 cup red onion gives the bowl a sharp kachumber bite, so dice it finely for even flavor. 1/2 cup plain whole milk yogurt makes the dressing creamy and cooling, like a quick Raita-style sauce. 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice brighten the entire bowl and make the chickpeas taste lively. 1 tablespoon cold-pressed mustard oil adds a classic Indian pungent note, and a little goes a long way. 1 tablespoon roasted cumin powder gives the dressing warm, earthy depth without any cooking today. 1 teaspoon chopped masala brings that unmistakable tangy, salty street food flavor. 1/2 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder adds gentle heat and a beautiful red color. 1/2 teaspoon fine salt pulls the dressing together and seasons the vegetables from the inside out. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro gives the chaat a bright herbal finish, so use tender leaves and stems. 2 tablespoons fresh mint add a cool lift that keeps the bowl light enough for a fast dinner. 1 small green chili brings fresh heat, remove the seeds if you want the bowl milder. For store-bought roasted papadums add the final crisp, savory crunch with 0 stove time. We begin the preparation by draining 2 cups of canned chickpeas, rinsing them under cool running water, and shaking them dry so the dressing can cling instead of turning watery. Now that the chickpeas are ready, dice enough English cucumber to make 1 cup, keeping the pieces small so every spoonful has a cool crunch. Next, quarter 1 cup of cherry tomatoes so they release just enough juice to mingle with the yogurt dressing. Then finely dice 1/2 cup of red onion, aiming for tiny pieces that season the bowl without overpowering it. With the vegetables cut, chop 1/4 cup of cilantro, 2 tablespoons of mint, and 1 small green chili so the herbs and heat are ready to fold in at the end. Now make the creamy base by adding 1/2 cup of plain whole milk yogurt, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed mustard oil to the wide mixing bowl. Season that dressing with 1 tablespoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chopped masala, 1/2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt. Whisk the dressing for about 30 seconds, until it looks smooth, pale orange, and lightly speckled with spice. Add the drained 2 cups of chickpeas to the dressing, then fold gently until every chickpea is coated. Once coated, press a small handful of chickpeas against the side of the bowl with a spoon. This makes the dressing thicker while most chickpeas stay whole. Now fold in 1 cup of diced cucumber, 1 cup of quartered cherry tomatoes, and 1/2 cup of finely diced red onion, mixing just until the colors are evenly scattered. Add the chopped 1/4 cup of cilantro, 2 tablespoons of mint, and 1 small green chili, then fold again so the fresh herbs perfume the whole bowl. Let the chaat rest for 10 minutes at room temperature, just long enough for the lime, spices, onion, and chickpeas to become one bright, tangy mixture. Just before serving, break 4 store-bought roasted papadums into rough bite-sized shards so they stay crisp on top of the creamy chaat. To close the cooking, divide the Chickpea Kachumber Chaat among 4 bowls and top each bowl with the roasted papadum shards. The raw Indian dinner is ready to serve. And there it is, a quick raw Indian Chickpea Kachumber Chaat bowl that delivers the fresh crunch, creamy spice, and hearty dinner feel we promised at the start. Serve it right away so the papadum stays crisp, with extra lime on the side if you love a brighter bite. If you enjoyed this easy dinner, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple recipes.